Hi, I'm Robin's AI avatar. In this video, I will show you how to work with existing cases in the Debitura platform. The first thing you would do is you would go to Cases. This page shows you all the cases you have submitted to the platform.
You can filter the view, so you can filter the table with conditions. You can search and you can change the columns you see here. You scroll down and you click here, and then you can adjust the columns you see here. You can also export the data.
So this page, Cases, gives you an overview of all the cases you have on the platform. To see details on one specific case, you click the case link.
Now we're on the case page that shows you all the details on a case. Up here you see the case ID, the current status, the name of the debtor, and the local collection partner handling your case.
This is also where you have the action menu where you can enter payments, close the case, and more.
In the left menu on the left side, you see all the case information we have. So you see a summary, the financial overview you can expand, the exclusivity period details, all the case information you have provided. This is also where you can assign a specific user on your end to handle the case. You see the information you've provided about the debtor. You see the bank account you have provided for this case. So on this specific demo account, there is no bank account added to the case. So here I would highly recommend to click and add a bank account. And you see the contracts related to this case. So typically that's the standard debt collection agreement and the power of attorney for this specific partner. The main section of the case-specific page is this action section where you see the activity timeline. Here you can see the past, the present and the future, and that gives you a very good idea of what has happened with the case, what is the current status of the case, and what are the coming up actions for this case.
So as you can see,
this case is active, it's in the pre-legal stage.
The partner is expected to give a next update end of May. The exclusivity period will end in 171 days, and then if the case has not been resolved, you can consider legal action or enforcement.
If you have any case-specific questions, the best way is to click on the chat tab here. You can type in a message with a question or additional information, and that is shared directly with the assigned collection partner. You can click the plus to upload documents. The last tab here is Files and Documents, and this summarizes and shows you all the files that have been uploaded to this case, and you have the option to add more files. If you have a legal foundation which is required for enforcement action, you can also upload that legal title here. And if your assigned collection partner gets a legal foundation, they will also upload it here.
So that's the case overview page. You have the left sidebar with all the information we have for an easy overview.
You have the activity timeline to see the past, present and future. You have the chat tab for direct contact with the assigned collection partner, and you have the files and documents to upload and see all the case-related files.
Thanks for watching this video.